Huskies on 3. 1, 2, 3, Huskies!
I notice everyone's having a good time. Everyone wants to learn. I think a lot of people want to come here, to be honest with you. Because I'm seeing a lot of parents go like, yeah, I like this place.
Well, we're at Denison right here, and today this is grade 8 night.
So tonight is the grade 8 open house at Denison, and we're trying to encourage all the grade 8s who could be future Huskies to come to Denison next year.
Denison is a fantastic school. Kids are super energetic. It's a lot of community here. They love helping out. So we have tonight about 200 students helping us this evening. There was about 300 to 400 people here. In the atrium, we had different sports clubs and subjects represented there, speaking with parents and families just about what we do here at Denison. Then we opened our doors here to the cafeteria. We did about a half an hour presentation about what to expect here at Denison.
Basically, what our role tonight was basically to let parents know what co-op is all about.
Yeah, so at the grade 8 open house, obviously you can see behind us here, there's a million different clubs and experiences that you can have coming here at Denison. And before I actually came here on the grade 8 night, I learned so much on the website, on our Instagram, but coming to the grade 8 night really helped me make this decision.
So Student Council is a group of students that plan and organize fun activities for the whole school. So we do a lot of things from spirit days to fun games and activities just to help everyone engage with the school better.
So the Athletic Council is a new club that was brought to Denison last year, and it's a really great way to get involved with athletics. The Athletic Council works with other clubs to organize events that really brings the school spirit together, such as buyouts and organizing sporting events at the school.
And then what they're doing now for the next hour is we have 13 different stations or departments that the students are visiting. And in those stations, they're going to be learning different things, watching students do projects, but also maybe playing some games.
I'm on the parent council. We gather once every few weeks, talk about things that are going on in school, how we can help out. Everyone in the school is very welcoming. It's a warm feeling in here. Both my daughters go here. Gives the parents and the children, the students that are coming here or possibly coming here, really get a good look and feel for what's happening. And with all of the students that already go here, running tables and putting on presentations and just showing what the school is all about.
A night like this is very important for the families here to come see Denison, get to know the school, get to know what we offer.
So it's good to get all the information beforehand so we can see what Denison's about. I love getting involved in all the clubs. It's been really fun, and all the trips and stuff I got to go on. I've met a lot of new people, so it's been great.
So this event is very important because it helps us advertise what our school does and all of the things that we offer.
I think at this school there's something for everybody and what their interests are. I think the teachers are really nice.
This is just our start of transitioning the students from grade 8 into Denison. So we're super excited to be here. Lots of people are here. And as I mentioned, it's the students that are really a great part of this school, promoting it so highly. Thank you.